Hello guys, welcome to my channel. The other part of the puzzle came in today and we're going to be opening up the rear camera for the dash cam installation of the Q800 Pro and the rear camera. So let's get to it. Yeah, it just showed up this morning. Well, not this morning, just about lunchtime, which means now I got some other things to get done today. So this is the accessory dash cam, the rear dash cam. Thinkware dash cam accessory rear view camera for the F800 and the F800 Pro, and I guess it's also the Q800 Pro since they're both pretty similar. So that's what we're going to be opening up right now. And let's see, this one is sealed. Yes, it is sealed. So let's see what comes in the box. Now there's that long camera that long cable that I'm going to have to install from the front to the rear. And here is the little camera. Well, it doesn't seem all that substantial, and so there we go, guys. This is the camera, accessory camera for the Q800 Pro. Let's see, so that's it. Is this one adjustable like the other one? Let's see. Yep, it clicks. This one clicks. So let's look at this cable. This is what I had to hold up the installation for, because I have to run this all the way, because I have to allow for this back cable. It's going to get in the way of the other onboard camera that came with the car. So I got to make sure I have room to disengage it should I need to take the unit out. So this 90-degree goes up front, and this is a micro USB cable that goes in the back. That goes like that. We got to run all this cable. All this cable has to go from the back of the car to the front of the car. Well, let's get on with it. Okay, this is the dash cam install, running the wire behind the weather strip, down below the B pillar, coming back up the B pillar, right behind the weather strip, bypassing the airbag, coming down there and going across the glass. We'll be getting to that next. Also, the power feed wire has to come down the A pillar here and then go down the fuse boxes underneath the dash right down here up above the brake pedal. And there's the cable going across, has to be fed across the headliner there, tucked in. The Thinkware Q800 sitting right there. I don't know how well that you can see that, but it's parallel with the Honda camera, and it's sitting right up there behind the mirror. So when you're looking under the mirror, that's what it looks like next to the lane keeping camera. And when you're sitting in the driver's seat, you can't even see it. So that wire runs up right between the other two wires and goes across over to the A pillar. Well guys, I just stuck the rear camera to the rear glass, and there's a glare on the glass, so I don't think you can see it. So, came along here. Power cable went down in behind here. There it is right there. I have to hook it up to the fuse box. I have to get a quick connect, a fuse tap, and there you have it, guys. Looking here at the mirror, you don't even see it. Then you look up, and there it is right there. All right. And the wires ran right down in between these two channels. Now these I chose not to tuck it under. They're visible only if you're on your back looking straight up. Other than that, you don't even see it. Well guys, there you have it. One more step to do. Hook up the power and the accessory feed. Well, I got the dash cam in, got the rear end in, just got through hooking up the power to the fuse box with a fuse tap, and there it is sitting right there, and we're gonna take this for a ride.